What's cracking, y'all, and welcome to Love Jale. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. And if you guys are returning, what's cracking, y'all? What's up? It's your girl Jale, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this amazing wig from Cranberry. It's my first time reviewing their wigs and it is amazing. Like, do you not see this? This is 26 inches of Cranberry highlight 430. Like, yes. And excuse my son in the background, he's talking, starting to make a lot more noises now, so it's kind of hard to get anything done with him, but I love him, so just mind his noises. But I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this amazing wig from Cranberry. So let's get into the video. So for this video we're going to be reviewing Cranberry. This is my first time doing this, so I'm excited. Let's open it. So it says choose Cranberry, choose beauty. So I'm gonna open up the inside. So this wig is a Cranberry blonde highlight headband wig, 180 density, colors 430, and straight human hair wig. And it comes with 2 headbands. I may do this one. And then this is the wig. It's 26 inches. And love me some long hair. Ooh, look at that. I'm loving this. And then inside, of course, you have the combs and the Velcro. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just look at that length. Then of course I got me a wig cap on. Yeah, my hair is cornrowed underneath. This is the only way I can lay my hair down because my hair is thick. So I'm loving this color. Like, oh my goodness. This color is really amazing. So let's try it with the headband. Okay, let's try it with the headband. Like, this is so cute. Sweet. So I would really recommend this wig. Like, this is my first order getting from Cranberry, and it is really cute. It's really soft and it's pretty thick too. Like, I like to have my hair thick, no string bean. But this is really cute. Like, I am so loving this color. Like, yes. I need it, get it. And then this length though, this length is amazing. Like, this is really cute. I really do recommend this wig. Like, this wig is so cute. It's nice and soft. And these highlights, oh my goodness. This is so thick. Like, this wig is, this hair is seriously so freaking thick. Like, this is amazing. Like, and because like normally when you get like straight hair, it's always either like super thin. No, this is very thick and very so soft. Like, so I do recommend you guys check out their wigs and their headband wigs, because like they're like really cute. Papas. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe to more of my hair reviews and hair tutorials. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.